Adjective declension, part 5. That's the final part. Today I will show you the simple step-by-step guide to the German adjective endings. Hello, my name is Jan and I'm your German teacher here on Easy Deutsch, the YouTube channel for German grammar. Today, the fifth and final part in my series about adjective declension. Today, I will give you a simple 4-step guide how you can determine always the correct adjective ending. So without further ado, let's switch to my ebook German Grammar Explained Easily for my step-by-step guide. So we're now here in my ebook German Grammar Explained Easily. Today, this is the last lesson of my 5-part series about adjective declension, and today I will show you my step-by-step guide. If you haven't watched the other videos, if you know more or less how adjective declension works, it's fine. Otherwise, if you have no idea about it, I recommend you to start at video 1. The playlist is added to the info cards here, and you also find it in the video description, so you can understand this simple step-by-step guide. Because the most important thing you always have to keep in mind with adjective declension is always step 1. Is there an article in front of the adjective? Because the adjective ending depends on the article. So that's why this is step 1. And if there's no article in front of the adjective, and it's very easy for you. No article means you simply add the ending of the definite article, so there the das, in all the cases, to the adjective. So, schnelle Autos, no article, and it's die Autos. We assume nominative here because it's not a full sentence, no preposition in front, so it's nominative. And in nominative it's die Autos, so same ending, schnelle Autos. Also, if it would be a dative, for example, mit schnellen Autos. No article, en, because it's den Autos, dative plural, so schnellen Autos. Same ending as the definite article. The only exception is genitive masculine and genitive neutral, because they always get the ending en. Remember the third video I showed you, because we have the s there. That shows us the case, that's why they stick to the en, the adjective stays lazy, but otherwise, if you have no article in front, you just add the definite article ending. If there is an article in front, no matter what kind of article, you continue to step 2. Now you check our 3 special words that are viele, einige, and mehrere. I explained more about them also in part 3 of this series. Is one of them in front? If yes, then you do the same like there would be no article. You add the ending of the definite article. Der, die, das in all the cases. Here, viele, schnelle Autos, because it's the Autos. Same thing, you always add the ending according to definite article. If there is no article and also not viele, einige, and mehrere in front of it, then you continue to step 3. Step 3 is checking a little bit for the case. You check, is it accusative masculine or dative, no matter if it's feminine, masculine, neuter, or plural, or genitive, same, completely, doesn't matter, feminine, masculine, or neuter, or anything in plural. So with the plural, it doesn't matter if it's nominative or accusative either. If it's any of those, you add en at all time. masculine, anything in dative, anything in genitive, or anything in plural, you add en, because if there is any article in front, no matter what kind of article, if it's accusative masculine, dative, or genitive, or plural, the ending of the adjective will always be en. So here, if it's yes, mit den schnellen Autos, that's dative and plural, so it's a double en if you want. And die schnellen Autos, pay attention, that's nominative, but it's plural, so it also gets the en. So if it's none of those, which only leaves nominative, singular, or accusative, feminine, or neuter with an article in front, then you continue to step 4. Now you check the article. Does the article have an ending? If not, you add the ending of the corresponding definite article. So, ein schnelles Auto. You see there's no ending at all, it's just ein. And it's das Auto, so schnelles Auto. Same here, mein schöner Mann. No ending at all, so that's why er ending at the adjective. But if the article has an ending, you add e. Das schnelle Auto, eine schöne Frau. You see here, that's a definite article. A definite article always has an ending, so e. And here we also have the e on ein, so we add e here too. If you go through those 4 steps, you always have the correct ending. It's not very hard, it works 100%, no exception at all. So, what do you think? Adjective declension is really hard? I don't think so. So, now you should be able to master German adjective declension, and I think everybody will agree it's not that hard. If you follow my step-by-step guide, and now you should be able to understand, it's important to know and to check which article is in front, because all the adjective declension depends on that article there in front. And most important, this table about the definite articles, if you don't know that one by heart by now, you know what you have to do today. You have to write that down, write it on your wall somewhere where you can see it at all time until I can call you at 3 a.m. and ask you everything about it, and you have to know it without thinking about it. Very important, the whole German declension is pretty much based on this table. So I hope you've learned a lot in my series. Tomorrow we continue with another lesson about adjectives. I will explain you how comparisons work in German. So please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments, and then I hope to see you again tomorrow. And till then, viel Spaß und Erfolg beim Deutschlernen.